How to remove powered by Shopify from footer. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove powered by Shopify from your online store. So first go to your Shopify admin panel, and then on the left panel go to online store. Now on the middle right corner click on three dot icon. Now on the bottom here you will see edit default theme content, just click on that. Now go to search filter and then here search for powered. Now go to powered by Shopify and then click on that. Now enter a space or dot. Now on the top right corner click on save, and there you go. So now let's check our site. As you can see, we have successfully removed the powered by Shopify text. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.